Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open slightly lower due to global market weakness following the US President's announcement of a 25% tariff on all imported cars not made in the United States. Additionally, there is uncertainty regarding potential exemptions from the reciprocal tariffs that India's government is set to impose. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 27th March 2025, Nifty index opened positive near 23,700 but failed to hold its opening hour high and dipped lower by around 300 points to touch 23,450 levels. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has negated its higher highs, higher lows formation of the last 8 trading sessions. Index has witnessed a slight rub-off and profit-taking after the rally of the last week. India VIX was down by 1.2% to 13.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.92. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,000 to 24,000, while immediate range is in between 23,300 to 23,700. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,241 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 696 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 33.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to cross and hold above 23,500, then some bounce could be seen towards 23,750 and 23,900. Or else, downside move could be seen towards 23,200. Bank Nifty has to hold above 51,000 for the next up move towards 52,000, while support can be seen at 51,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Siemens, Trent, HAL, Motherson, Ambuja Cement, RBL Bank, Marico, and Havells. While some weakness could continue in BSE, Dixon, Oro Pharma, Hincopper, BPCL, Techem, and LTTS. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.